Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to Swift VDI Bluetooth. To begin, ensure your local computer, the one you use to access your virtual desktop, has a working Bluetooth adapter. This is the essential first step, as the virtual desktop relies on your physical machine's capabilities. The VDI client application on your local computer will then manage the redirection of this Bluetooth functionality to your Swift VDI session. Next, you need to enable Bluetooth redirection within your VDI client. Open the settings of your VDI client application on your local computer. Look for a section typically labeled USB and Bluetooth or peripheral redirection. Within these options, you will find a checkbox or toggle to share Bluetooth devices with the virtual machine. Ensure this option is selected to allow the virtual desktop to access your local Bluetooth adapter. Now, with redirection enabled, launch your Swift VDI session. Once inside your virtual desktop, open its operating system's Bluetooth settings, just as you would on a physical computer. Simultaneously, activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone and set it to discoverable mode. From your virtual desktop, search for nearby Bluetooth devices. When your phone appears in the list, select it and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. Finally, confirm your connection. In your Swift VDI's Bluetooth settings, your phone should now be listed as a successfully paired and connected device. You can now utilize Bluetooth-enabled applications and features directly from your virtual desktop. Remember, the effective range for this connection is limited by your local computer's Bluetooth adapter, typically around 10 meters or 33 feet. Enjoy seamless phone integration with your Swift VDI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.